Isa Balikenda chairperson w'omwaro gwa Karakaba nashobora ngu amato gabo n'obutimba nebihambwa ababaliya abatahi babo abarukomoko mu West Nile kandi babashaba esente z'omutango ezirukwingana nk'emitwaro 10 za shilingi ya Uganda. Nashobora ngu buri mujubi arukuremwa kushashura esente ezo amato gabo na n'obutimba nebabitunda ekirukubaretera bagumana banyangara.
Arrested here, then taken in Panyumur. When they are taken there, they bring over to charge. The charge what? The charge to be released. How much? They have been charging to 2 people 100.
Balikenda nayongera kushobora ngo akabina katerwa kurinda enyanja za Uganda aka Fisheries Protection Unity FPU tikarukwata aba oyireho nkagumiza muno kubatuntuza.
They are even using this the same boat every day. If you want to understand this, you pass via the airport one circle. You find this small boats when they are there fishing seriously, even day and night, without stopping anybody. Well, without even asking them why, because they have put them on salary.
James Byencha omushubuzi w'ebyenyanja nashobora ngu ab'ebyobushoborozi nibeja bakwata ebyenyanja byabo nobyako babirye bye birukwikirizibwa omukujubwa arukushaba ngo habeho ekyakorwa.
You find that when you are taking those fish at the market, they even remove one that this is the sample. But yes. Yes, in fact one day also they put me inside when I was complaining that. Yes.
Byencha nashobora ngu bo babaho ahabwenyanja yonka amahega baburiza obutoro ngababingaho bwashesha bwira kandi obwo ejo niyo ntasya yabo yonka arukushobora ngu tebeine kyokulya. Yagaruka yashobora ngu nempi akakikurukamwe akashirinja Uganda akarukuhebwa hansi y'entebe kanise ya Parish Development Model tikarukumara ahabwo kube barukwejunisa ombujubi nebyebeyi ya haiguru.
Tugenda ntulaba nduga kulaba ndwiza ntutunda kasi tugenda ntubula kyakodya bana betu mbadia masoma atinyo mutuleteri bamaye bali mukutukwata bali mukutoloka doluka twinako omperi milioni gimwe gya PDM. Yes, ngifuniri changa milioni gimwe gya PDM kolaba muitaka abakunze ndio milioni 15 ngulewa ati wa milioni 3 kichweka ngule bitimba bya milioni kamukaga ngule engine gya milioni 9 omperi PDM. I will resort to buying of this one.
Margaret Kakahusa nawe yashobora ngu abajubi nebahambwa abakwata mbundu kurwo mu ihangiri ya Democratic Republic ya Congo batyo bashaba esente z'omutango okubarekura arukushaba ngu enshongejo nayo erebwemo.
Twaka tukusaba yati tuchana balobi betu bawo batukuresya buba bakwata bagimbe kuloba mbabasika mbabatwala hayi kiseri oba batwala kandi twene ntuna government yetu aha yikusara kubangi bikabanyankomo betu tuna district yetu.
President of Yaizire Umunyoro sub-region na muno ubisano sonsio yaraganisiriye kuteka honasa ho gyabalobi kiyamba balobi kubula bwatu kusemera na injini hamwe na bitimba kandi kusaba uzike ukisa president kwelagesa byakori ezimunyoro sub-region kuteka honasa ho gyabalobi hakudwerere byaba balobi tukolekane kubandake tulipota kisia tuhalekane.
Omugaruka mwebyo byona Minister Baramo yashobora kuba rwijagambaho na ministry eyebyobujubi okurebeka ngu enshongezo zagororwa.
The president wants to empower these fishermen. He's looking for billions, maybe 30 billions. He said he wants to support them like with 30 billions to buy boats and to buy nets. So we should not allow people to misuse the power they have on the lake to harass fishermen. The chairman has raised a very big concern. Chairman, do you know the people who are asking you for money from this side? Do you know them? Quietly tell me, quietly.
Bwanyuma ombwire bwakabwibwi Minister Baramu ajizireho oruterane n'abantu Aribiso Primary School Hachayi Omribiso Town Council District ya Burisa. Gasha kwa Innocent atuganyira ahabwa Tayari West.